Alright guys, good morning, good morning. Coming to you here this morning on a nice cool day here in Raleigh, North Carolina. Shining Style, Imports, Custom Auto Detailing. Got a 2020 Kia Soul, came in for our detailing. It's in really bad shape. Customers said he's tried to clean it up, but obviously, I mean, if he's bringing it to us, it's because he needs some professional help. So, again, 2020 Kia Soul. It's only a year old, but this car is really filthy, and you're gonna see it here now. At least it's filthy for now, but we're gonna transform this thing. We may have to take some seats out, and of course steam clean and extract and do a whole lot of other things to get this car looking like new. So without further ado, let's take a look at this car on the interior, and of course stay tuned because we're gonna make another video to show you the exterior, the aftermath of this thing as when we're finished with it. So you're gonna see a before now, and I'm gonna show you an after. Alright, so let's take a look at it. And this here to me looks like vomit. Customer says he doesn't know what it is, but it looks more than food to me. So you can see this is very dirty. Seats are all stained up. Cup holders are grimy. There's a lot of just build up. I don't know what's that on that dash, but it looks all sticky and gooey. So door panels, yeah, you name it, everything up in this car is dirty, from headliner to door jambs, seats, yeah. So see here we have a lot of build up on these door jambs, trunk jambs. So yeah, all this is going to be included in our interior detailing. We also do all your interior door jambs. Yeah, it's going to need some full deep cleaning, sanitizing, shampooing, you name it. It's going to be going through a whole lot to get this thing looking like new again. So I want you guys to take a good look because I'm gonna make an after video on this as well, and you're gonna see what a real detail takes. And by the way folks, this is not gonna be a 1 hour, 2 hour job. Something like this, it's gonna take some time. Alright, so stay tuned for the after video on this vehicle. Again, coming to you live this morning from Shining Style Imports and Custom Auto Detailing. For now, I'm saying out.